What's up, you guys? Welcome to a Silvy Adventure. Today we are going to be doing something very special. It's not only my first video back on YouTube, but it's also the first sponsorship on my truck. I want to give a huge shout out to your boys over at AWE. Let's go see what we did to the truck today. 1, 2. But today, we got a surprise for you guys. We are going to do the very first actual upgrade to the truck. There's been other upgrades to it, but not necessarily in this way. This is the first performance upgrade that we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and get under this truck today, and let's go see what the surprise is. You guys might already know by the logos. AWE was able to hook the boy up and send them out a exhaust system. So it's a full CatBack exhaust, and you're about to see the grand opening right now, and we're gonna hopefully install it and throw our first decal on the truck. I want to show you guys first stock exhaust. This is kind of how it sounds right now. So that was my stock exhaust. Now we're gonna go ahead and pop this thing open and see what they sent us. What's up, gordo? ¿Qué onda, güey? ¿Qué es? Just unloaded it. Take a peek inside. No better feeling in the world. Look at that. Whew. I see it. So for those of you guys who don't know, I do have a dual exhaust exit. So I have 2 bumper cutouts. We're gonna be removing those, and we're gonna go to quad tips. If you're reading me, flip this over. I knew I saw something different, but so it looks like these tips. Give me 1 second, because I ordered the quad black diamond tips. Oh, that's cool how they include the blow pop. But let's see what it says. Let me read it over, and then I'll come and check in with you guys. So I checked over the note that was in there, and it's basically just letting me know that due to the chain issues or whatever, everything that's going on, they're unable to send me the black tips right now. So they sent me the silver tips, and then they gave me an option of either reimbursement for the black tips, or they're gonna swap them out in the future. So definitely AWE, don't worry about it. I understand 100%. We're able to get the black tips. We're just gonna have to wait a little bit, which with this truck, I can tell you right now, I've been having to wait for a lot of things, like heated and cooled seats, so many other things that still haven't gotten put into the truck just because of chain issues. So I understand 100%. I'm just so glad that I have it in my possession, and let's hope we can get this thing rumbling today. Anyways, I'm still super hyped about it. Quad tips, it's gonna look amazing. Whether they're silver, they're black, they could be green, they could be red. I know it's gonna sound amazing, it's gonna look amazing, and one day we'll have the black tips on the truck, I know for a fact. So yeah, I'm still super excited. Let's get to it. I didn't know how this worked. This is honestly the first exhaust I've ever installed. So this is honestly one of my favorite things about the AWE package, was that they're completely customizable when it comes to the tips. You can literally handle how far out you want them, how far in you want them. If you want them poking out a little more of the bumper, it's completely, you can go up, down, left, and right. It will look amazing. Just like that, baby. Just like that. So see, you're able to twist and turn each one individually, and you're able to move them up or right, maybe give it a little bit of an angle depending on where you want to see it. But yeah, these are our dual tips. Look how amazing those look. They're super big. And remember, guys, we're not going to keep the gray ones. We are going to send these back. We do want the diamond ones, but due to the shortages and everything going on, they did have to send us the silver ones. In my opinion, it was great from AWE to do on their behalf, because obviously they could have just said, hey, we can't ship out your exhaust until whatever moving forward. But no, they decided to give me the silver tips, and then they're gonna swap it out for the black tips at some point. So definitely want to get this truck rumbling, because I'm so excited. We're gonna go with the silver for now, but black tips, here they come. Look at that. It's gonna look insane right there. Dual tips. The biggest struggle so far has been taking out the housings that were there, the little aluminum things. But now we have it laid out. We're gonna start uninstalling and unscrewing stuff under there. We got this part out with all the noise cancelers. But yeah, okay, wait. How you feel so far? It's not that bad, not that bad. We're making progress real quick, but the biggest struggle so far has been the HDMI ports right there. We've got in one piece. We've got in one piece secure out for sure. Look, this is why it's so quiet in there. All these little pockets of air. But now there's nothing to be quiet about. So we had it laid out here. This is the front of the truck. This is the back of the truck. Kind of had it laid out so that way we know exactly how to do it. We're removing the main one first, the stock one. Moving the stock one right now. So the whole thing should come out in one piece. Trying to avoid cutting it. How you feeling, Fresco? 4 hours into the installation, how you feeling?
That ain't no fucking hours.
Definitely not an hour. Exhaust, as you can tell. Resonator, muffler, and all that. And then this little sound murder right there. Now we're gonna do this part, and then the split for the back, and then just deal with the tips. But it's coming along. Tips now.
Si le molesta, le pongo doble de llave. No le molesta. Tiene como una pulgada. Ahí yo no creo que.
This should look fine.
¿Verdad, Sí, ya échale.
Tying everything up, and we're ready for a cold start. You ready? Oh, the truth. Que no prenda, güey. I'm kind of nervous. Ready? You guys thought I was gonna give it to you guys right at the beginning, huh? But no, you guys got to see the process of us installing the AWE OFG CatBack system on the Silverado. I'm super excited, as you guys can tell. Shout out to everybody who stayed to this far in the video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Basically, what I want to do now coming back is gonna be every adventure that we go with Sylvia, we're gonna go ahead and document it for you guys, no matter where we go or what we do. So yeah, that's basically gonna be it. I also post on TikTok and Instagram, so if you guys want to check those out, everything's linked below. I will be more active on those platforms since these videos take a little more to take. But yeah, anything that we get like sponsors or anything will show up on our YouTube page. Shout out to our very first one, AWE again. All the information is down in the description below. I'm more than pleased with the equipment that we put in. It's top of the line stuff. I only want to make sure that I put the best on here. We got a lot of things coming for the truck, so I hope you guys stay tuned and join us in this journey. But now I'll finally give it to you guys. Let's hear it rumble, baby. Yes, sir. I'll see you guys next time. Let's go, baby.